guys, and today I'm going to show you guys something really awesome. I came across this really awesome tweak that, in my opinion, it is must have on your jailbroken device. It will make your life so much easy. And now, before I show you guys and before we dive into this video, please let me ask you guys to subscribe to my channel and also smash that bell icon so you guys get notified when I drop a next video. So now that's out of the way, let's get this video started and let me show you guys. So just like always, we're gonna go into Cydia, and once we open up the Cydia, what you want to do, go into search bar and search for this video. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to go into install recent, and from here the Cydia tweak that we are going to talk about is this one right here. It's called RepoFinder, as you guys can see right here, RepoFinder. Now RepoFinder is basically a tweak that, as we can see, find your repos, and every single repo for your Cydia, Cilio, installer, or whatever the method you're using, you can find through this Cydia tweak. Now, as you guys can see right here, description, it show you everything step by step. It tell you what you can and what you cannot do. And I mean, honestly, I downloaded it, and you don't have to go and searching for any repos after you download this tweak. It's called RepoFinder, and as you guys can see right here, there's a few pictures of that. And also just want to mention that it is updated a version which is 1.021, and it was last updated February 13, 2020, and it is free to download. And as you guys can see, iOS version, the comparable ones are 13.0 and later. So now what I'm going to show you guys, once you download this, all you have to do, go to your Springboard and find the application called RepoFinder, which is right here, as you guys can see. And as you guys can see, there's a blue icon, blue and purple, and it says RF. That's your RepoFinder. And in the bottom, as you guys can see, just like the name suggests, RepoFinder. So all you have to do, open this application up, and as you guys can see, really nice, really cool, clean look. And as you guys can see, there is so many repos in here. Look at that. And now we're gonna go up. If you scroll this page up, as you guys can see on the top, it says RepoFinder, and then you got the 4 option. So the first one is Cydia, then you got the Cilio, then you got the Zebra, and then you got the installer. So those are 4 different options, and if you're running for running the Cydia on your device, or Cilio, or Zebra, or installer, you have to click on that option for you to be able to download that repo. Now, in the bottom, if you see, as you guys can see, on the left bottom it says menu, and then on the right it says settings. If we click on setting, as you guys can see right here, it only give you the option to more repos, and the default is going to be like this, off. What you want to do is flip that switch. So what this does, if there's any changes or if there's any update for the repos, it will automatically update. You don't have to do anything. So now we're gonna go back into the menu, and now let me show you guys a trick. As you guys can see, if I go back to my Springboard, as you guys can see, I'm using the Cydia. I'm not using Cilio, I'm not using the Zebra or the installer, I'm using the Cydia. So the reason to show you guys is because if we open this up again, and as you guys can see, On the top, I selected the zebra, and let's say scroll down, and I want to add this repo to my Cydia. If I click on it, it won't do anything because on the top is selected for zebra, and I'm using the Cydia. So let's say I try one more just to so you guys know. If I want to add this repo, click on it, nothing going to happen. So now if I go back and I switch to Cydia, as you guys can see, and then let's scroll down to, let me show you guys the same repo right here. I'm going to click on it. It will take you to the Cydia. It will open up this page. From here you can install the repo, right, just like that. And if I go back to the RepoFinder, and let's say we're doing it for Cilio, and let's go back to the same tweak, this one right here, and if I click on it, nothing going to happen. So the reason for me to show you guys this option, because if you're running Cydia and you are in the Cilio option on the RepoFinder, and you try to install a repo and it doesn't work. So that's the reason you have to be on the right package for you to be able to download that repo. And also another reason for this is that if you're running a Cydia and then you don't want to download the wrong repo to the wrong package, you know what I mean? So that's really awesome. And there is so many repos right here in this RepoFinder, and you don't have to search for any, you don't have to do anything, just one click and you add the repo to your Cydia, Cilio, Zebra, or the installer, whatever the method you're using, whatever the you have installed on your device, you can add the repos with one click. And when I found it, and I thought it was a really awesome and really handy method, and I just want to record a video and bring it out to you guys. And that's all for this video. Just want to say thank you so much for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also smash that bell icon so you guys get notified when I drop a next video like this. That's all. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.